Well, today we think it's about time we got this strawberry tower filled with strawberry plants. They're not all as big as this, but that won't matter because we're going to be ripping out roots off bottom of them when we plant them, and then they'll start to flourish again and they'll soon fill out in those containers. So let's go to a container garden and get that done. We're going to start off today by getting the strawberries in this strawberry tower. So now we've got that all put together and it's all been filled with fresh compost. Now we just need to put plants in. So we've got a few strawberry plants in pots, but we're going to break all the bottoms off these so we can get them to fit in this new container. And it's going to help them to start and grow better as well. So you can see, very extensive root system on these. And then we'll just pop it in here. And then we'll do the same at the other corner. So that's the next one. Make sure you don't bury these any deeper than they originally were, or she'll rot the crown. So we've got a couple in now and we're going to put 4 in each until we get right to the top. So we best crack on and get that done. So we're about halfway up now, so we'll just keep going till we reach that top. Now we've got them strawberries in, we're going to give them a bit of feed. I've just put a bit of tomato food in this watering can. Then I'm going to add a bit of Epsom salt. That's going to help with the root system. So we'll just put some water in it, get that Epsom salts dissolved, and we'll go and water these new plants. What else you're going to do on Easter Sunday? That's that strawberry tower now finished. All plants are in, they've had a good watering and they've had a bit of a feed. And that one tower holds 29 strawberry plants, and it's only taken up a foot of space on the floor with it being a vertical planter. So perfect for a small container garden. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your Easter and I'll see you on the next video.